thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. As you guys saw in the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing a review on Ariana Grande R.E.M. So if you guys want to see this video, go ahead and stay tuned. And also, if you are new, I make fragrance and beauty videos. So if you guys are into that kind of thing, don't be afraid to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the gang. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So y'all, I am so excited to review this perfume today. Like, I was waiting so long for this to finally come, and it came. So this is what the actual box looks like. And so far, I am absolutely loving the packaging for this. I absolutely love the cartoon version of her on the back. I just think it's the cutest thing, and it really reminds me of her Break Free music video. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what the actual bottle looks like. So this is what the actual bottle looks like. So I'm absolutely loving the design of this bottle. Similar to Thank You Next and Cloud, the bottle does come in this little bottle holder, so you can take it out. And this is what everything looks like up close. Now, I did see a couple complaints about the bottle holders. Personally, I absolutely love them. I think that they're really cute, and it just looks really nice just to sit on your vanity or your dresser or your shelf. It just looks really, really cute. So I'm absolutely loving that. The only thing that I will say is I kind of like the bottle holder for Cloud a little more because it's more of a rubbery silicone type texture, and this is just plastic. Even though I love how shiny it is, it does like clink around in there, but as long as you're not moving it around a lot, it's really not that big of a deal. Now let's get on to the actual notes of this perfume. So this scent type is actually classified as a woody musk, and in the top notes there is quince, fig, salted caramel, and marshmallow. In the middle notes there is pear blossom and lavender, and for the base notes there's tonka bean, white musk, and sandalwood. So the first time I sprayed this on myself, I kind of didn't know how I felt about it, to be honest. I will say that this is not like her other scents. When you think Ariana Grande, you think kitty, girly, fruity, stuff like that. This is not one of those fragrances. A few people classified it as unisex, which I definitely can see. When I first sprayed it, I was just like, eh. But once it actually warms on the skin, you really smell the salted caramel as well as the marshmallow. So it's almost like a sweet woodiness to it. I definitely feel like this fragrance would be an acquired taste, unless you're just a huge Ariana Grande fan and just want to collect all of her perfumes just because. I definitely feel like this one is a little more different. In my opinion, it's more of a wintry scent. Like, I could definitely see myself in the middle of winter with a nice fur coat, faux fur of course, but just it makes me think of winter. Like, it just makes me think of going out with your friends in wintertime with the cold, crisp air, and you just somebody catches a whiff of this and they're just like, oh my gosh, like, I really, really, really like it. I didn't really know how I felt about it at first from that initial spray, but once it actually warms on the skin, when I first sprayed it, I got a lot of those lavender notes, which really, in my opinion, made it way more masculine. But as it really dries down on your skin, you get more of those sweeter notes, and everything just really comes together. So I really, really like this, and this is going to be one of my go-to winter scents. And also, as far as price goes and things of that sort, this is the 1.7 ounce. By the time I got to the Ulta website, they were all sold out of the 1 ounce. So I ended up getting the 1.7, and this retails for $54, and I think the 1 ounce was $44. So that's around the price range that it is. I did buy this from Ulta, and they were having a little deal. When you bought the perfume, you got this cute little backpack, and these little parts open and things of that sort. And honestly, and this was free, by the way, with the purchase of the perfume. At first I thought that it was kind of gonna be cheap feeling because it was free, but really this is a nice little bag, and I do plan on wearing this. Like, this is really, really nice. I was not expecting something this big and this nice to come with the fragrance, so that was definitely a plus. I definitely recommend that you guys try it. If you like more, I guess I wouldn't classify it as a gourmand fragrance. It is sweet. You definitely get the caramel and the marshmallow, but it also has that woodiness too. I don't know if you would lump woodiness into a gourmand fragrance as well, but I absolutely love this. I think that her perfumes, I like that they're going in a more mature direction, if that makes sense. I definitely was not expecting a fragrance like this from Ariana Grande, and it's really just a nice semi-mature scent, but really it could work for any age group. I mean, it really just depends on you and your taste. But this is definitely a nice buy, and I thank you guys so much because I didn't even know that she had released this until one of you guys alerted me, and I was just like, what? So I immediately went to Ulta and I saw it, and I was like, okay, I have to buy this. And I'm very happy that I did, so thank y'all so much. And also, as always, I will have this perfume linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to go ahead and check that as well. So guys, that was my review. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and for those of y'all who have already tried it, let me know what you guys think, and if you plan on trying it in the future, also when you get it, let me know how you guys feel about it, because at first, like, I did see a lot of mixed reviews about this perfume. Some people like it, some people absolutely hate it, so just let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.